Handcuff. Handcuff is an often used tool by police which helps to limit the activity of criminal suspect. It meets Chinese GA T172-2002 standard. It can open and lock flexible. The key matches well without block. Backlock location is dependable, and under this status, the wheel gear cannot be moved. It can work more than 6,000 times, and it does not be broken after dropping from 1.2 meters height. It can afford the longitudinal and transverse static force of 2,200 Newton, corrosion resistance level higher than 6. Check before using, can move smoothly, can lock normally. Can open and lock. Notice: oil regularly to keep the spare parts lubrication. If stuck, please do not wax it and keep it to be dry and clean. It checked and approved by Chinese authority department.